Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily fix Bluetooth not working in your Windows. So without any further ado, let's start. First is you need to search for command prompt at the bottom search bar. Please type CMD for short and go for run as administrator. Once you clicked it, user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes. And here in this new window, please input the command gp update. Then click enter to proceed. Okay, now it is updating the policy of your computer. Let's just wait. And once it says computer policy update has completed successfully, then just close this. Then let's proceed to the next step, which is to do a right click here at the start icon and go for run. Here, you need to type for services.msc, then click on OK to continue. Okay. Once you're here, look for the Bluetooth. It has this different Bluetooth and make sure that all of this is running. How? Just click the first one, do a right click, go for properties, and make sure that aligning the startup type it is in automatic. Click on apply and OK. Might as well the second one, do a right click again, properties, automatic, apply and OK. And as well as this third one, properties, make it automatic, apply, and OK. Then once done, make sure that all of this related to Bluetooth services and system is running. Okay? Once done, you just have to close this window and go for settings. Here, you need to type for settings at the bottom search bar and click open to continue. Once you're here, go to the left side and look for network and internet next to Bluetooth and devices. Okay? Once you're here, go for airplane mode next to mobile hotspot. Click that to open. Okay? Here, you need to make sure that under this wireless devices, Wi-Fi is on as well as the Bluetooth is on. Sige? Okay, so once it is on, go for Bluetooth and devices. Here, you need to make sure that your Bluetooth is on. Okay? Once done, you just have to close this and restart your computer and you'll see the magic. Your Bluetooth is working again and responding again. Okay? So those are the easy steps on how to fix Bluetooth not working in your Windows. If this video helps you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.